Know well your gear system. When it comes to purchasing a car, many drivers opt for the convenience and ease of use offered by automatic vehicles. However, navigating the different modes found in an automatic car can often be confusing and overwhelming. Whether you're a seasoned driver or new to the world of automatics, understanding the different modes, such as P, R, N, D, S, and B, is essential for getting the most out of your driving experience. This article delves into the meaning and purpose of each mode, providing you with the knowledge needed to confidently operate an automatic car. So, whether you're looking to purchase a new vehicle or just want to learn more about automatics, read on to unlock the secrets of automatic car modes. P for park gear. Park is signified by the P in an automatic vehicle. This mode is employed when the car is not in use or in motion. The transmission is locked when the automobile is in the park, preventing the wheels from turning. This mode is essential for keeping the car in place, especially when you're parked on a hill or slope. R for reverse gear. The R in an automatic car stands for reverse. This mode is used when you want to back up your car. When the transmission is in reverse, the car will move backward, allowing you to back out of a parking spot or driveway. N for neutral gear. The N in an automatic car stands for neutral. This mode is used when you want to coast without the engine driving the wheels. For example, when you're rolling down a hill, you can put the car in neutral to save fuel. But this practice is highly not recommended. Be mindful that putting the car in neutral on a flat surface or uphill can result in the car rolling forward or backward, so it's important to use the handbrake in these situations. D for drive gear. The D in an automatic car stands for drive. This mode is used for normal driving, where the car will automatically shift gears based on speed and power requirements. When you're driving on the highway or cruising through the city, you'll likely have the car in drive. S for sport gear. The S in an automatic car stands for sport. This mode is used when you want a sportier driving experience. When you put the car in sport mode, the transmission will hold the gears longer and shift later, allowing for a more dynamic and responsive driving experience. Sport mode is best used when you're on a winding road or when you want to make a quick pass on the highway. B for brake gear. In an automated vehicle, the B stands for brake. Not all automatic vehicles have this mode, but in some models, it is used to provide additional engine braking. The transmission will change to a lower gear when you put the car in B, allowing you to utilize the engine to slow it down rather than simply the brakes. This can be helpful if you're descending a steep hill and want to maintain control of your car. Created by Sasanka da Silva for the King's Exploit channel. Like and subscribe. Thanks.